We just arrived at CDO!
Bayaran.
Cafe, so 22. Here at downtown. Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's Iza. For those who don't know, I am a member of this community called the Blossom Social Club. And our goal as a community is to connect our sisters in Islam, yes, and to form a sisterhood. Tapos, our goal is also to showcase the Khadijas of this generation. Kaya kami nagtayo ng market. Ang goal namin is to plant seeds in this dunya and in the hereafter. Kaya kami Blossom Social Club. Ang launch namin was on January 31 to February 2. Alhamdulillah, it was a success. A lot of people attended and ayun, mas nakilala ang Blossom Social Club. So, because of that, lilipad tayo ng CDO. Crazy! Ang next wave natin is sa CDO and inshallah, ito yung video na mapapanood nyo. Yes, I will bring you guys with me as we travel to CDO, as we, organize the event for the community market. And yeah, I will show you guys what happens as a Blossom Social Club organizer. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow when I go to the airport. Bye! Hi guys! Hee. So we are at the airport already. Ang flight namin is 5 p.m. We're gonna let everything sink in and bismillah for the market, I guess.
Ayan, ang cute.
I'm not cute anymore. Ding, 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 ding. So guys, we're with Rima and Jo. And Blossom Airport Diaries.
Wait lang. Go.
Ay, hindi ka meron pa rin. We just arrived at CDO! See you sa Wave 2! Ito na lang. Right now, nag-ocular kami for the Muhadaras. Time check. 10:22. We're checking out the venues para good to go tayo for the next few days. Yes!
Ginagawa ninyo ito with sincerity.
That was day 0 of Muhadara. So, 10:50, tapos na ang Muhadara, tapos na ang other errands. Right now, we are at the Apostrophe Cafe, the venue of the market. Then, we're just fixing the stocks. And then tomorrow, bismillah for the event. See you! See you! Bye-bye! Blossom Community Market Day 1! Saan daw kami?
Bro, I'm not that type of makni ba?
There's my brother.
Jump on the bed ba?
Guys, look ba? Oh, we have a view ba? Oh. Guys ba? Oh.
Hello! Hello, it's so pretty.
Isn't that crazy?
Bro.
And then there's... Uy!
Oh
fresh
my
air! Tapos nag-iba yung filter nung world.
Huwag na tayo bumalik sa market, right?
Oo, bye-bye! Good luck, guys! What can you say sa crowd? Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. 5 Friday pa lang.
Alhamdulillah! Hi guys! Today is day 2 of the Blossom Community Market. Alhamdulillah, super dami tao. Alam mo, ang hirap actually mag-vlog kasi nakakalimutan ko kasi, alam mo yun, ang busy. Alhamdulillah, ang busy. Dami na siya nabili, oh! Oh, flex your ano.
Ano to? Kasalanan ko ng Blossom Community
Yes!
Thank you so much, Angela.
It's day 2! And super dami tao, alhamdulillah. Currently, 9:30 na, no? 9:45. It's 45 minutes till closing. Pero medyo nag-extend kami today. So, 1 hour and 15 minutes till closing. And then, inshallah, mas marami-rami pa kami ma-serve na people and mas marami pa tayong ma-meet na people and mas marami pa yung sisterhood na mabuo natin dito. Yes! We're gonna eat apples and bananas. Take your time. Open your eyes. Close again. Oh, tawa siya. Tawa siya. Tapos na yung day 2. Tapos na ang day 2. Hi guys. It is currently 2 a.m. Ang day 2 namin natapos na 2 a.m. Tapos na kami mag-coffee, mag-everything and everything.
2 a.m.
Yes. So now we're going home.
At 2 a.m.
Bye-bye! Blossom Community Market Day 3! Hi guys! So this is the current state of the Blossom Social Market kapag wala pang tao. Currently 3 pa lang kasi 4:30 kami mag-open, so wala pa yung merchants, wala pa yung this is just the state of it kapag before mag-start ang event. So mag-tour tayo. Let's go! This is Lyle Style. Ayan. This is, and then we have SBL styled by Leah. Tapos this is Sharika. Meron din sila sa labas. Marshmallow Scarf PH. This is Alicia. Tapos this is Sismars. Hi Sismars.
Busy
Style nila ako, busy. And then this is Taliax. Hi guys. Inshallah later when the merchants start coming in, start fixing things and everything, it'll look cleaner and more like a market ba. So basically, the venue here, meron dito sa gitna. This is Apostrophe Cafe. We have Click CDO. This is the photo booth ba. And then this is Isha Jewels. Puro jewelry shots. These are freshwater pearls and everything. Dalawa yung full day merchants natin. While yung nandoon sa loob na pinakita namin kanina, half day lang siya. 4:30 hanggang 10:30 lang siya. Kaya sarado pa sila doon. Tapos dito, open na. Inside sila ng cafe. So, parang mas malawak ang reach nila basically. But yeah, mas masaya pa rin doon sa loob, right? Ewan ko. Today is the last day of the Blossom Social Club Community Market here at CZO.
Hi. Hi guys.
Introduce yourself, ate.
I'm Julia Montes. I'm Ainona of Marshmallow Scar.
Yay! One of our merchants here. Alhamdulillah, things are going well. This is, who's this? Who's this? Who's this? Me? Mira loves Hannah! Yan.
Ay, papost mo ba yan?
Ayaw mo?
Hindi, tinatanong ko lang.
Oo, sa vlog ko.
Sige. Pabook kayo mga
Yeah, you message her at Mira loves Hannah. Guys, it is currently 10:22 and magka-close ang doors namin ng 10:30 and then
So, kung may 8 minutes pa kayo ng buhay niyo, pumunta pa kayo dito.
so after that may egg rest tayo hanggang 11:45.
Yeah.
Sana na matapos sila agad. But like, some are starting na to pack.
Yeah.
Because, yun nga, medyo time consuming ba pag nag-egg rest. But yeah, inshallah, everything will go smoothly and yeah.
We met actually the
Oh
layout.
my god, I will give them!
Okay, go.
Guys, these are our volunteers! Yun, our volunteers for today, for the market and the Muhadara.
Hi guys. So this is the Blossom Community Market. Last na to.
Basically, we're done. We're starting the egg rest now. We're done. We're starting the egg rest. And then, the volunteers gave us keychains! Thank you! Tapos na ang wave 2. So ngayon, we're here. We're gonna drink coffee and everything, and then see you again tomorrow, guys. Hi guys! Today is ikailang day natin dito. 5 Today is our 5th day here in CDO, and today is our only free day. So we're out here to eat lunch. Tapos we're going to a cafe after. Tapos we're gonna have dinner. We are gonna have seafood. One thing about me, I love seafood. Like, I'm never the type to not himay ng labas ng drinks. Some journeys take time, but when your heart finds what it is searching for, everything changes. As a revert, it hasn't always been easy to find spaces like this. Alhamdulillah for the opportunity to be part of gatherings like this. My heart is so grateful for the sisters I've met along the way. Their efforts mean more than you know, especially to us reverts. What do you mean? Okay guys, right now we are at Chinkiti here at downtown CDO. Tapos meron siyang 4 cafes in one. Nandito tayo sa Coltrane Coffee right now. And then, ang angas niya, meron siyang mga record players, stereo players, vinyl records and everything. And it's so aesthetic. It's so, look, can you hear the music? The jazz? It's so maangas.
Basta ate, like, we're so proud of you talaga.
Oo, kasi parang ikaw yung malaki yung impact sa mga netizens.
And like, they know that you're not the face man because you're famous. You're the face kasi you're the kindest among us.
Oh my God! Totoo.
Nanawin nila ako.
That's their coffee. Wala na, di na ako nakapag-vlog. Basta nakauwi na ako guys. Bye!